Hello everybody! Today my brother Coulter is going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. Hi! So, first of all, you fold it in half like the long way. Then you unfold it.
Oh, and what's this paper airplane called, Coulter?
It's called a glider. Then you fold it like this. Then you unfold it. Then do it again except the opposite way. And then you unfold it. And then this is what the folds look like. You flip it over. And then you see this corner. Yeah, the edge, you fold that to the bottom line. Then you flip it over. Well, you unfold it, then you flip it over. Then you poke your finger in that little section. You see these two corners? It's like you pinch them together. You push them down, and then you can see this little flap. You push that down. Then you fold this. This part, you might not know how to do this, so you can just cut it out, but I'm good at doing it, so I'm just gonna do it this way. So now you can unfold it and then cut that piece off, except do not throw it away because we're gonna be using it. You unfold it, flip it over if you're doing it my way. Then you fold it along the same line. You unfold it, flip it over, and then you just keep on doing that.
Oh, by the way, right now you can go get a drink or whatever you need to, because he's going to be doing the old-fashioned trick where you lick the paper and then rip it. So you're not really missing anything.
Then I'm finished, and then I make a little rip.
Oh, I guess he's not licking it.
You go to flip on the same line, or that's where you could just cut along that line. You do not throw this part away. Then with this, you do this. You fold it to the top. Then you do it with the other side. Then it should look like this. Then you do this. Wait, you don't do that. You do that. Then, of course, the other side. Then you do this.
How are you? You guys supposed to be on the computer?
Then you do it with the other side. Then you unfold it. Then you do it kind of like the same thing, except on the top. And then the other side. most of this, you just do it with the other side. Then you unfold it. And then it's like you do both of those. And then you just turn it into a point and then you just flatten it. And then the other side. So it's like you're just doing the same thing. So then you flip it over. You fold it down as much as you can. Then it should look like this. Then you fold it in half. You fold this down. Then you flip it over and do it, and you just line it up. Then you do it like this. Oh, I don't think I got it. Okay, then you flip it over, line it up. Then you take the tail. It's already out. Okay, and then you fold the top to the middle. Then fold it to, then you fold the bottom to the top. Then with that same line, you fold it back and forth on the same line. And again, you can use scissors, except do not rip it all the way off, just rip it halfway. Then you flip it. Then it should be like this. Then the long part, you fold it up to the top. Then you do it with the other side. Then you unfold those, because I'm going to be doing it a bit faster. You fold it along the same line that you just made. You do it with this, the other side. Then with the big part, you fold it like this. You do it with the other side. Then the tail's finished. Then you grab this again. You take this part. You do a reverse fold. This part is probably the hardest part though. Except you don't have to do this if you don't want, but it just makes a landing gear. And it makes it really cool. So then when you flatten it, it will look like this. Then you do the other side. Then you do this. Okay, then you just grab your tail. Then you push it underneath the middle, and then you take this, then you undo that, you do this, and then it's pretty much finished, but you can do this to make it fly better. And you should not fly it hard. You should probably just be up somewhere really high and barely you move it, and then it goes really far. Okay, can we see it fly? Let's see it fly.
Ready, set, go. Whoa, it even crashed. Oh, that is a mighty fine glider. It's called a glider, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Sorry, my hair's stuck in there. Bye!